Hi, I'm Mahadleaf. Today I want to talk Somalia, but please subscribe to my channel and let's start with Somalia, size of Texas. Almost 100% of its residents are Muslims. Somalia has many amazing landmarks, including many beautiful mosques. Some mosques are as old as 1,200 years. There is also a lot of ancient history in the country. The country has many great places for tourists to visit too. Somalia has a lot of exotic and cool animals. They have a variety of mammals such as cheetahs, giraffes, elephants, baboons, lions, and much more. Somalia also many crocodiles and camels. In fact, Somalia has the world's largest population of camels. The most widely recognized symbol in Somalia is the camel. This is because the camel Somalia has one of the largest crime rates in the world. Another issue